Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making something special for Halloween. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, some black resin dye, some orange mica powder, 2 mixing bowls, mixing utensil. You will need pliers. You'll need 2 jump rings, 2 fishhook earrings, and if you recall before we did this mold, and it was, I think I called it Moon Cat. And so what we're going to do again is another cat on the moon, and this is the previous pair. And remember, I used chameleon black, and it shows different colors with different lighting. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's purple, sometimes it looks black. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make one for the Halloween season. So we're going to do a black cat on an orange moon, just to make it a little spooky looking. But you know, you can wear them at other times too. You don't have to wear them, you know, just for the Halloween season. But I thought this would be kind of cute. So because of this, and because I made a past video, which was not too long ago, I'm not going to talk through this. I'm just going to make the earrings and let you watch how I do it. And I'll put some music in the background so you can enjoy some music and just enjoy watching this video. So let's get started. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you'll find links to all the supplies I used today and a link to the original Cat on a Moon video that I made with all the instructions on how to do it. Also, you will find in the description box links to my jewelry, my photography, and my artwork. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.